A great modeling tool available to you is the Tweak Component tool. You can access the Tweak Component tool by selecting your object and going to Component, Tweak Component tool. A few things happen when you activate the tool. You're able to move all your components at once. So we can go ahead and select vertices and move them. We can hover over edges and move them, and we can go to faces and move them without switching to different modes. Another thing that you should notice, if we go to the bottom here of the viewport, we have these three UI buttons. The first of which toggles on and on manipulators. So we can go ahead and toggle on and on manipulators of selected components. So now you can see that we're able to manipulate this way. So if we turn it off, you just move and drag, and you do not have the ability to use a manipulator. Second option, you can see that it's easy to break the silhouette of our object. The second option will make it so that actually, let's go ahead and just pull these out a little bit. The second option will keep the silhouette at the time of your moving that particular component. So if I were to go ahead here to this face and try to break the silhouette, you can see that the faces will slide along the geometry no matter what I do. The last option here will just snap and weld verts. So with that enabled, I can select a vertice, move it, it will snap and weld that vertice to the target. There are a few more options available to you when you're in the tweak component mode. One of which is this reference frame. You can set the reference frame of your manipulator. So currently we're in a local reference frame. So if I were to select any other component, let's say I wanted to move this vertice along this edge, I can set my manipulator to this edge, to this edge's local reference. So I can go ahead and middle mouse button click. You can see now I'm able to manipulate this vertice along this edge's transform. So you can see that it changes my reference frame, or it sets my access to reference, and I'm able to just select this and just manipulate along that edge's local axis. Also, you have access to your loop selection tool. So if I hold down Alt, select this edge, and then middle mouse button click this edge, you can see that that you're able to access loop tools while using your tweak component tool. So that is the tweak component tool.